Hi mga besh! Today we are going to Binondo! Let's go! I'll be with my brother, my sisters, Judy and Haina. Yeah. See ya! Right now we're waiting for a ride. We booked a grab car para mas convenient dahil apat naman kami. Kaya it's very mura. Kesa naman sumakay kami ng 3 times, right? Trying to justify. This is my yes po. Hi mga besh! Today we are here at Binondo! So we are going to eat something dahil ito yung actually it's our third time here in Binondo and we're so excited to eat a lot of things. So samahan nyo kami. Tara! Binondo has been such a staple. Whenever someone wants to do food trip, you can actually go to Binondo and enjoy a lot of foods. So here we are at Ang Bitin. This is the home of Best Hopia and Decoy. Many people lined up just to buy their fried xiaolong bao, but we can actually just buy the frozen one and then do the frying at home. Right now, we are here at Chuanki at ang pinapapila namin si King Ernest para naman habang pumipila siya, nabibili namin yung mga iba pa namin kailangan bilhin. Look! Yan. Si King Ernest ang pipila ngayon dito sa
Chuanki. Dito po kami kakain ngayon. Ako pa ipipila, ilawan.
Right now, pupunta kami ng Baker's Fair to buy their hopia. Yeah! Ow! Go!
Food for today, it is a hopia Mongol flavor to be exact. So yeah, let's try it.
If you're someone who loves eating broccoli and that, you can buy it for only 100 pesos. So let's go back here later after buying our things. And look, broccoli, it's so good.
Hello, sa ngayon. Hello, magtatanghuli tayo ulit kasi babalik-balikan namin na kasi masarap.
Ako na yung nasa green.
Gusto ko yung green.
Strawberry ka.
natin siya.
Ano? Hindi ko pa natitikman yan ever since.
Oo eh.
Akin na lang to. Bibili pa tayo.
Sige.
Pinapunta na namin yung inutusan naming pumila dito sa Veggie Select because ayan na. Pipila sana siya sa Chuanki pero sabi namin marami naman kami pupuntahan na makakainan. Mabubusog kami agad. So, ito na siya. Lu, bili ka tang hulubi.
Yung pera.
Yun na yung maliit lang yung 60.
Sarap. Ano ko na, Grim? Malalap.
Guys, you can also buy your souvenirs here. Habang nakapila yung mga kapatid ko, papunta naman kami ni King Ernest ngayon sa bilihan ng bizcocho because we want that. It's been a long time since we ate bizcocho. The milky bizcocho is to die for. Every time na nagpupunta kami dito sa Binondo, we always see to it na nakakabili kami ng bizcocho. So that's what we are going to do and that's where we are heading. Let's go! Alam nyo, katabi rin ng bizcocho, yung famous na fried siopaw. Look at my brother's face. Dumadaan kasi kami sa mabahong tulay. Ongping Street is also known for their good reputation of selling authentic gold. So, bilihan din to, puntahan din to ng mga taong gustong bumili ng gold. Here we are at Fried Siopaw. This is the original Shanghai Fried Siopaw. Dito talaga din bumibili kami always ng fried siopaw every time na nagpupunta kami ng Binondo. Guys, grabe yung pila dito sa Oishikon. Kailangan talaga ng mahabang pasensya if you want to buy their milky donuts or milky bicho. They have the most plump looking dragon fruit I've ever seen. Guys, I'm getting near. Magbabayad na ako. Look. Hi guys, we're done paying. They gave us this number. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. This one, so I'm number 15. Tatawagin na lang yung number ko and then I'll have to pick up the order after that. Excuse me po. That's it. Look, this is what's happening inside. This is how it works. Look at that. Working station. Someone's frying the bicho bicho. Someone's making it. There. Look. And that. So good, right? They do it on the spot. Okay. Ayan o. Kita, diba? Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. Hi guys, this is the food that my sister bought from Veggie Select. I'm going to try it. This one's good actually. Pinocchio mushroom wrapped with ham. Approve!
Mo, wala nang ano yan, stew.
And here's another one. It's a tofu. Pero I think magiging malasa siya kasi ang dami niyang sauce. So, look. It's it.
Okay, so we're here at the original Shanghai fried siopaw and we're going to buy, of course, a fried siopaw. So, ilan? Apat? Yeah.
Hi guys! So, nandito, tapos na kami pumila, finally. Then sa Oishikun Chinese bites na and nandito na yung mga in-order namin. Meron ditong milky bicho, and meron din yung cheesy coin, pancake, something. And dalawa. Tapos dalawa din na spring onion na pancake. Ayan. Ayun lang, no? Tatlo. Ngayon, mag-taste test na tayo. So, yung milky bicho na lang muna kasi ilang beses ko na sinakain. Ang comment ko pala, dahil ang dami-daming bumibili, ang dami din nila mag-prito. Dati kasi medyo mainit pa kapag kinakain namin. Mas masarap yun. Kasi ngayon namin na yung sinakay.
So, here we are trying the oyster food. Look. It's still delicious as ever. Dip mo na. Damihan mo na. Ooh, gusto mo yung may sili? No. Okay. But it's not good. So good. Really mahal. Yeah.
Ano ito yung mga mango? Ito po yung akin. Ikaw, kuha ka. Tandaan ka ba? Kuha ka. Saan ka nila gawin? Apo talaga mo. Ayoko na. Gawin ko itong nasa kalahati. Ganyan. Tulungan mo ano yung panghawak mo. Sabi mo, inatay ako agad. Hindi siya ate agad niya inatay. Mas nauna ako matay.
Bang!
Makapal kasi sa kanya compare sa'yo. Bang!
Ha? Patay na!
Abang bang
Hi mga besh! This ends our Binondo. We bought a lot of foods and the vegetables. Bye!